Hi, I'm Natasha Hackenberg from Ray White, and I'd love to welcome you to number 4, Cooper Street in Bli Bli. Positioned in Cutters Ridge Estate, very sought after location, less than 10 minutes to beaches, major shopping, airport, everything you could possibly need, and walking distance to local shops and bus stops. This great family home offers 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 separate living areas, double lock-up garage, fantastic outdoor entertaining area, plus wide side access for the caravan or boat, or both. All this on a low maintenance, easy care block. I'd love to see you at one of my open homes.
You are God, all things are possible. You are God.